All right, so seeing that I'm on a bit of a shop cleaning and organization kick right now, I've got to do something about this lathe. Like, tools are just piled in here, it's a mess. And I've got all this space here on these ends, bulkheads or whatever. So it's time to make some tool storage. Be sure to click the link to join our live 4-day event. Myself, Jimmy DeResta, and John Peters are going to be talking all things woodworking, so do not miss out on that. Totally free. Sign up, link in the description box below, guys, and I can vouch, it's legit. £25, that should do nicely. All right, almost finished. Now we just got to install these little magnets here. Princess Auto, so a place that has everything I need. Well, that wraps up a nice, quick, and easy magnetic chisel build. If you like this video, please click the like button, make sure you're subscribed, and share it with somebody who you think might want to build something like that. One last reminder before I go, on November 23rd, that's coming up this Monday, we are doing a 4-day live webinar event with Jimmy DeResta, John Peters, and myself. We're talking all things woodworking. It's totally free. Click the link in the description box below to sign up. There are limited seats. We're going to see you at that live event. Until then, samurai.